Okay, so let's get started. Hello,
Hello, teacher.
how are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
You are fine today. So are you nervous? Are you nervous? Are you
No,
nervous now? Yes or no?
no.
No, very good job. Okay, so let's introduce a little bit about yourself. What is your name?
My name is Ngọc Thảo.
How old are you?
I'm 9 years old.
9 years old. Very good. Where do you live now? Do
I
you live in
I live in
Ho Chi Minh City? Yes or no?
yes.
Oh, you live in Ho Chi Minh City?
Mm,
So are you feel happy? Are you happy now?
yes.
Are you sad now? Sad? No. Okay, did you go to school today?
Yes.
How did you go to school today? By bicycle or by motorbike or by car? How did you go to school today?
By car.
By car, yes, very good. And I want to ask you about your food and drink. What food do you like? Do you like hamburgers?
No. I
No. You like
I like orange juice.
orange juice is not drink, not food. So what food do you like? Do you like pizza?
Mm, yes.
Mm. So orange juice is your favorite drink?
Yes.
Mm. Do you like milk tea?
Mm,
Milk tea? Yes or no?
no.
No, okay. So how many people are there in your family? How many people? Three or two
Six
or four or five? How many?
six people.
Oh, 6 people. Do you have a sister?
Yes.
Do you have a brother?
No.
No. Is your sister tall?
No.
No. Is your dad tall?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Have you eaten your dinner tonight? Dinner. Do you have dinner tonight?
Yes.
Oh, what did you eat tonight?
I eat I eat
Rice?
rice.
Mm.
Rice.
And rice and
I eat rice and fish.
fish. Yes, very good. So, who cooks dinner for you tonight?
Mm,
Who? Your mom or your dad?
This is my grandmother.
Oh, your grandmother cooks the dinner for you tonight. Yes, very good. So, is this yummy or not? Yummy or not?
Yes. Yes.
Yes,
It's
very good. Okay.
yum.
Yeah, excellent. So let's come to the next part. For the next part, we have a speaking test with a story. So can you tell me the name of the story?
It's Lucy Day.
Lucy's Day, very good. So Miss Katie would like to share some sentences of Lucy's Day, and you want to read out loud the sentences. So are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Okay, so let's see the sentences. Okay, so your turn. You read right now.
There, there is a girl. Her name is Lucy. Lucy is a morning person. She wakes up at 6 p.m. Then she goes to the bathroom. Then she brush her, wash her teeth and take a shower. After that, she gets a rest. She gets rest in her favorite cold. Then Lucy go to the dining room to have breakfast. Her mom is Emily. She see her mom preparing breakfast in the kitchen.
Yes, very good job, Ngọc Thảo. You did very well. Okay. So, let's move on to the, do you know the meaning?
Story.
Story, yes, very good. So, can you repeat the name of the story again?
Lucy Day.
Lucy's Day. Okay, so raise your hands up. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, very good. One more time. Are you ready?
Yes.
Great, very good. There's a girl. Her name is Lucy. Ooh. Is her name Emily?
No.
No. Is her name Tony?
No.
No. Is her name Katie?
No.
No. Is her name Lucy?
Yes.
Very good. What is her name?
Her name is Lucy.
Lucy. Is there a boy?
No.
No. Is there a child?
No.
No. Is there a girl?
Yes.
Yes, very good. What is there?
Is
What
there?
is there?
There is a girl.
A girl. Are there two girls?
No.
No. Are there three girls?
No.
No. Are there many girls?
No.
No. Is there a girl?
Yes.
Yes. How many girls are there?
It's one girl.
One girl. Yes, very good. The next sentence. Lucy is a morning person.
Ooh.
Is she an afternoon person?
No.
No. Is she a noon person?
No.
No. Is she evening person?
No.
No. Is she a morning person?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Who is Lucy?
Lucy is a morning person.
Morning person. Is Katie a morning person?
No.
No. Is Emily a morning person?
No.
No. Is Ngọc Thảo a morning person?
No.
Is Lucy a morning person?
Yes.
Very good. Who is a morning person?
Lucy.
Lucy. Are there 10 morning people?
No.
No. Are there 3 morning people?
No.
Are there many morning people?
No.
Are there 1,000 morning people?
No.
Is there a morning person?
Yes.
Very good. How many morning people are there? How many?
One.
One. Is Lucy a funny people? Funny person?
No.
No. Is Lucy a bad person?
No.
Is Lucy a kind person?
No.
Is Lucy a morning person?
Yes.
Very good. Who is Lucy?
Lucy is morning person.
Morning person. Yes, very good. Okay, next one. Then Lucy goes to the bathroom.
Ooh.
Ooh. Does Lucy go to school?
No.
No. Does Lucy go to the cinema?
No.
No. Does she go to the restaurant?
No.
No. Does Lucy go to bathroom? Bathroom?
Yes.
Yes, very good. What does Lucy do?
Lucy go to the bathroom.
Lucy go to the bathroom. Does Lucy go to the living room?
No.
Does she go to the kitchen?
No.
No. Does she go to the dining room? Dining room?
No.
No. Does Lucy go to the bathroom?
Yes.
Very good. Where does Lucy go to?
Lucy go to the bathroom.
Bathroom. Okay. Who goes to the bathroom?
Lucy.
What does Lucy do?
Lucy go to the bathroom.
Where does Lucy go?
Lucy go to the bathroom.
Very good. Okay, so that's all for your test today. Congratulations, you did very well. Let's see. Goodbye. See you next week.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Good night for you.
Good night, teacher.
Thank you. Bye bye.